Hi guys, welcome to the Big Bang Strategy by Hola Harry. This is Quebec 9 and you're welcome once again. So our topic for today, which is Model 4, how to trade the psychological level. So the question is this: what are psychological levels? Okay, psychological levels are round up numbers that big investors pay attention to. And let me give you a typical example of how it works. You see, when you go to the market, you want to buy a car, right? And they tell you, okay, this car worth $10,000. Your pricing figure will be between 10,000, 10,800, 10,000, or let's say 9,800, 9,500. You are pricing at round figures. You won't say you're gonna pay 9,854,000 naira. You understand? You'll be pricing at round figures. So psychologically, humans are programmed like that. That is just the way it is. Today, if you ask me how much is Bitcoin, let's go to the charts. So currently, Bitcoin price is sitting at 16,949. But if you ask me how much is BTC, I will not tell you, oh, BTC currently is 16,940. No, I won't tell you. I'll tell you BTC is 17,000. Yes, is that I tell you 17,000 or 16,500? Either of the two. I will not give you the specific figure. I'll go like a round figure, right? So exactly the same it is. Most people always like to buy around these psychological levels, right? And this psychological level is one of the most important in our strategy. The Big Bang BTC strategy is one of the most important. If you understand it, I can tell you that you're good to go. Okay, so what are psychological levels that we need to use, that are important, we need to use? What numbers? Let's check the BTC numbers. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. So here we have 16 hours. I've already drawn them down. Okay, so in case you still want to do yours, I believe that by now, since you're keen into this strategy, you also want to do yours as well. So you do this, and don't forget that for you to understand this, you must also know how to use TradingView. It's important because it will help you to do your analysis easily. Yes. So here we have 16,000. You can see that 16,500, 17,000, 17,500, 18,000, 18,500. It goes on and on and on like that, all the way to 60,000. Okay, because psychological level are areas of target. That's where you can see volume. And aside of a psychological level, there are some other ones as well, such as support and resistance. Those are areas that you find volume. So that's where you want to play. You want to play where the big boys are playing. Okay, you don't just place order without understanding which areas you want to place your orders. And I can tell you that if you can adopt this approach, even your normal trading will improve. Target your entry at psychological levels. I can tell you, no matter what, you always make profit, no matter how small, depending on what you want. Sometimes it might not even hit your take profit, but you're in profit. Okay, yeah. So that is how it works. So we can go on and on. Now this is an horizontal line. You can see that I have already set up my TradingView. So I believe you understand how to use TradingView. If you don't understand how to use TradingView, then you need to join the beginner's class. On the beginner's class, we have a full course on TradingView that will teach you step by step on how to go about it. So this is an horizontal line. If I want to, so the next line for me to draw will be 18,500. So I will click here. That's my quick tool. So I'll double click. I'll type in here. I'll type in 18,500. So the line will go on that spot. Can you see that? 18,500. The next line will be 19,000. So I will do the same. I'll double click 19,000. That's 19,000 in there. That's the coordinate. So okay, it goes on that spot. So I don't need to be looking for 19,000. This is the price area. Price area. Can you see it? That's where you can see the price of BTC. Yes. And if you check the current price, you can see what current price it is. Right? So you observe that I'm able to move the screen the way I like. So if you are new, you might probably not understand how to do all these things, and these are things you need to know how to do. If you know how to do all these things, you're good. You are good. Okay, so that will be it for this video. I believe this psychological level is very explanatory and very simple. So in case you feel that still one more thing you still didn't get, drop your question in the comment section. I will treat it, right? And don't forget that you need to use Bybit for you to trade this the big bank strategy, so that you can get low fees. It's very, very important, right? Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next model. Bye bye.